When we want to do a vertical transformation, so either a vertical compression or a vertical stretch, that is going to affect your y-coordinate. Okay, the vertical direction is the y. So what we were doing when we were doing our tables and our points is we would just multiply the y-coordinate by whatever the compression was or whatever the stretch was. So it's very similar, except instead of it just being a number as far as a y-coordinate is, the y would be the entire equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our function and you just multiply it by the factor. Okay? So your factor would be in front, whether it's a fraction or a whole number, and you'll multiply it to everything in the entire function that it was given. So in A, I have 4x subtract 1, and I want to vertically compress by a factor of 1/2. So I'll put my factor of 1/2 in front, and I'll put my function behind, and then I'll distribute that 1/2 to the 4x and the negative 1. So 1/2 times 4 would give me 2x, and then 1/2 times a negative 1 will give me a negative 1/2. So my new g of x function would be 2x subtract 1/2. Very similar for part B. I have 2x plus 1 this time, and I'm going to vertically stretch by a factor of 3. So my factor of 3 would go in front, and my 2x plus 1 would go behind, and I'll distribute that 3 to every value in that equation. So 3 times 2x would give me a 6x, and 3 times 1 would give me a 3. So my new g of x function for my vertical stretch would be 6x plus 3.